back, and today I have a surprise for you. Okay, so this is my friend Vinny.
Say hi.
What's up? And Jonathan.
Hello.
And my parents up there.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
See you, Dad. Hi, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy.
What?
And
Emma.
I'm going to a house, my friend's house. Well, my Jonathan's friend.
We go to
Jonathan's friend. Jonathan's friend. He's not really my friend. He's 7. His name is Michael. It's not his birthday or anything. It's his mom's birthday, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna go in the pool. Even Vinny.
Me.
Yeah. So yeah. And I went to his house yesterday. He was here
I met you guys at the pool.
He was staying here. He was staying here for 1 week. It's not 1 week yet.
No.
Wait, yes it is. It's 1 week already.
No, it's not. If you go to the pool, it's really cold.
So yeah.
Cold is it?
It's not that cold.
It's cold.
It's not that cold. If you go in there for a while, it won't be that cold.
Oh.
So
Wait, Brianna. I was at my Aunt Andy, and I was the first one. I was the first one of the year going in the pool first. Cause all my friends say I'm scared. I don't want to get cold. I was the first one there.
Well, yeah, that's my new friend Vinny. How do you spell your name?
V-I-N-G. Wait, V-I-N-N-Y.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought. Okay, thank you guys for watching. And that's my new friend Vinny. I said that a lot of times. Okay, bye.